What is the Replicator? The Replicator is our unique plug-and-play robotics solution without the need for coding or programming. Perfect for sandblasting, sanding, and for all spraying applications. The Replicator reproduces human talent with robotic precision. All you need to do is transmit the desired motions to the Replicator once for it to be recorded. The robot then replicates them on the following parts. Laser transmitters track and record the movement performed by the sensors installed on the tool. With a simple press of a button, the robot springs into action, flawlessly reproducing the movements taught by the operator, as many times as needed. No more wasting time on repetitive tasks or worrying about inconsistent results. Let's see how easy it is to operate. Before starting the recording, the operator moves the robot to its starting position. To do this, simply press and hold the move button and slide the robot. The Replicator instantly records the movements performed by the operator. To start recording, press the record button on the interface and demonstrate the task. Once you've finished, press the record button again. To preview the recording, press the play button or use the forward and reverse buttons. It's as simple as that. The robot now knows what task to perform and will repeat all the movements exactly as you have taught it. No computer skills or robotic skills required. Look at that. The Replicator isn't limited to a single movement. It can also create several recordings of different movements, allowing the operator to change the task by simply selecting the desired recording and switching to a new movement, ensuring an uninterrupted workflow and maximum productivity. With the Replicator, simplicity and efficiency are guaranteed with every repetition.